दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. J the Explorer. Are you excited to watch part 2 of Goa Exploration? Before watching it, have you watched part 1 of Goa Exploration? If you haven't, watch it first before proceeding towards part 2. And you must be excited to know what is stored in part 2. So let's check it out. Hello friends, so we are heading towards Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. I don't know, this is an unknown road on the way, but just look at the nature setting. No one on the road. It's superb. It's a pleasant road. We have reached Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary and we have parked the car, pay the entry fee, and let's start the exploration at Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. We have taken the entry fee. We are taking our car inside the premises of the wildlife sanctuary. We have paid the fees for the car too. 100 rupees per person is the charges, and additional 100 rupees for the car and 50 rupees for the video camera. So we two adults are going to accompany in the sanctuary. So we have paid 350 rupees for the same, and now let's begin by taking our drive into the wildlife sanctuary. Basically, we are going to visit Sauri waterfall. It is at 4 kilometer distance from this particular entrance, and there is another waterfall that is Maniyappi, and that is at 5 kilometers. So 3 kilometers we are going to drive and 1 kilometer of trek we are going to do. So let's begin. So we have reached the parking spot of the Savarli waterfall. It's on the road only, the parking spot. You can see over here. So it's a nice feeling over here. Nice ambience created by the nature. And this is some what kind of waterfall we are going to see. I hope that this year around there was a lot of rain, so still the water would be free flowing and to its fullest capacity. So let's see what kind of exploration Mr. J brings to you. basically what had happened is we started early in the morning on the scooter bike, and suddenly the shower started screaming upon us, and we had to halt it between. We didn't carry any kind of rainwear, so we decided let's go back again to our villa, park our bikes and take the car. And that's why it took a long time. We wasted around 2 hours in the same process. And while coming to the Netravali through car, as we had lost 2 hours of our time, I drove fast. I drove pretty fast, and I didn't know that I am overspeeding the vehicle. And the Goa police halted my car, and I had to pay 300 bucks for the same, for violating the speed limit. The speed limit was 70 and I was driving at 80 just to reach and just to cover that 2 hours of time which I had lost, and I had to pay 300 rupees. Oops. Okay, but finally we had made it. In Hindi there is a proverb called जो भी होता है अच्छा होता है या अच्छे के लिए होता है. So yes, finally we have reached Netravali. It's an awesome ambience here. There is no rush. It's pin drop silence. Let's hear what the nature wants to talk to us. So how did you find the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary exploration? Awesome, amazing, simply superb. So the drive was awesome from our villa based in Waka to Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. Inside the wildlife sanctuary, it was a dense forest, and we traveled approximately 3 kilometers till the parking spot of Sauri waterfalls. From parking spot, we did walk about 1 kilometer and also did climb down 150 steps. So how was that? It was just amazing, right? You must have liked that video. If you have liked this particular exploration, do click on the like button and then we will proceed forward, because you aren't going to get disappointment in any of these Goa exploration videos. The water was gushing, the ambience was perfect, and it was superb to be over there, to watch the waterfall, to enjoy the water flowing from the waterfall and the trek. Just remember the tagline of Mr. J the Explorer: it's not the destination, but it's rather journey. I needed to pay fine for overspeeding, So that is kind of experience which I got during this particular journey, and I'm sharing the same through this media, so that you will be careful while riding the bikes or the cars on Goa highways. Do not cross the speed limit of 70. We do not know where these police are placed with their cameras and the scanners. When we finished our exploration at Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, it was around 2 p.m. and we wanted to proceed towards Cabo de Rama Fort. The drive was approximately 2 hours long, but as it was a lunch time, on the route we couldn't find any kind of a restaurant which will serve our purpose. So that is an experience which I am going to share with you, that if you are going to travel from Vaka or any part of South Goa to Netravali, make sure you have your meals first, at least some kind of a meal, and you also carry some kind of food stuff along with you, so that you won't be hungry during that particular journey. Let's explore Cabo de Rama Fort. So after witnessing St. Anthony Church, Pebble Beach, it was just awesome, the exploration at Cabo de Rama Fort. It's a huge fort, you might need half a day to explore the entire fort area. The Pebble Beach was also good, just make sure that you have proper shoes, because it's had lots of rocks which can hurt you. From Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, we visited Cabo de Rama Fort. Besides Cabo de Rama Fort, there is a very unique location which you can't miss. You will just admire the location, you will just admire the beauty which it offers. So let's check it out, the beauty which I am referring to.
Thank you so much. खूब है वैसे तो मन मेरा पहले भी रातों में अक्सर ये चाहत के हाँ सपने संजोता था पहले भी धड़कन ये धुन कोई गाती थी पर अब जो होता है वो पहले न होता था तेरा होने लगा हूँ खोने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ तेरा होने लगा हूँ खोने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ।
So, how did you find the Cape Goa? It was just awesome. Didn't you find it lovely? Didn't you find it romantic? You should definitely come over here with your life partner, and you will definitely enjoy each and every moment spent over here. The Cape Goa is a resort, but its dining facility is open to all other guests too. The location is simply amazing. It is placed besides the cliff and it has a very good natural setting, and the cuisine they offer is really tasty and authentic. Apart from the cuisine, you also able to experience the live music which is performed between 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily. When Mr. J visited the Cape Goa, Mr. Adi, an artist, was singing a melodious song, and you must have enjoyed in this video that melody song. It was simply awesome. Just visualize it that an artist is singing in the background, you are with your life partner sitting across the table, and you both are enjoying your meal or your beverages right across the ocean. It is just fantastic environment. So how did you find day 2 exploration? Amazing. I know these are the memories which are priceless and you can't judge them or rate them in any kind of order. So we started from our villa to Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. We catered some problem with respect to rain shower. We had to pay the fine to the traffic police. We finally made it to the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. We visited Sauri waterfall. There is another waterfall called as Maniappi waterfall, but to access that waterfall we need to walk down 4.5 kilometers. So due to constraint of time we couldn't go to Maniappi waterfall, but rather we choose to go to the Sauri waterfall. From Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary we visited to Cabo de Rama Fort. We witnessed St. Anthony's Church. Then we climbed down to Pebble Beach. The beach is whole made up of pebbles, that is the name called as Pebble Beach. Then from Cabo de Rama Fort we got to the Cape Goa. So we ended our day of day 2 of Goa exploration at Cape Goa with a lovely sunset. So if you have watched part 1, if you have watched part 2 now, then you must be really excited what is stored in part 3. Stay tuned, we will come back with part 3. So do like this video by clicking the like button, share as much as you can, and do share your comments which particular location you like the most. And if you haven't subscribed our channel till late, do subscribe it right now so that hereafter you won't be able to miss any of the exploration from Mr. J. So till next exploration, take care, goodbye from Mr. J, the Explorer, the YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.